We're on the Tuckasegee River, July 4th, 2014. The family here. Sorry I had to maneuver the boat because my co-pilot not worth a hoot on the river.
I can't figure out which way I'm supposed to paddle to go its direction.
Beautiful day, probably in the upper 70s, I guess, here near Dillsboro, North Carolina.
I'd like to recommend to those of you who are watching this video to consider Smoky Mountain River Adventures. It's the folks that we rented the kayaks from. They're located not far from Dillsboro on Highway 74 or 441. It's a great place to rent your kayaks. Very friendly folks, family atmosphere, a good way to create a great memory. So I recommend it.
Yes,
or you can call 888-785-2662 or go and Google Smoky Mountain River Adventures and find out more about this great place to rent kayaks. God bless. Thanks for watching.
Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Oh no. Just let me do it, honey. Don't do anything. I'll do it. We're all right. Woo! That was scary.